Hello, and welcome to Unpacked Hospitality. I'm Alex.
And I'm Hannah. Hi, everyone.
Hannah, our reporter Sarah told me a funny story today. She stayed at a fancy hotel this weekend.
Oh, really? Did she like her room?
She loved it, but she said the bathroom was magical. She said the mirror was so clean, she thought there was no glass, and the bathtub was shining like a diamond.
That is the magic of a great housekeeping team, Alex. A clean bathroom is the most important thing for a hotel guest. If the toilet is dirty, the guest will never come back.
It is true, but how do they make it so perfect? I clean my bathroom at home, and it takes me hours, and it never looks like a diamond.
Because hotel room attendants have a strict step-by-step system. They know exactly how to clean the bath, the shower, the toilet, and the sink safely and quickly.
Well, Sarah wanted to know their secret, so she went to talk to Mr. Tyler, a housekeeping expert. Let's listen and learn.
Listen carefully for these words: protective gloves, Scour, and Vanity.
Hello, Mr. Tyler. When we enter a dirty hotel bathroom, what is the very first thing we do?
Hello, Sarah, and hi, everyone. Cleaning bathroom is one of important steps when we prepare the room for the guest. First, when we are in bathroom area, please collect all dirty towels and put them in a laundry bag. We throw away used shampoo and soap. We check the lights and the shower curtain. If anything is broken, we report the defect to maintenance.
Okay, when everything is ready, can we start washing?
Wait. Rule number 1. Always wear protective gloves. This is for your safety. Then we start with the bath and the shower. We wet the tub with water. We use a pad to scour the tub and remove marks. Then we clean the tiles, rinse everything with water, and polish the taps until they shine.
What about the toilet? Nobody likes cleaning the toilet.
It is very important. We flush the toilet first. Then we pour in the cleanser and leave it to soak. We wash and dry the lid, the seat, and the outside of the bowl. We use a toilet brush to scour the inside thoroughly. Finally, we flush it again and put a paper hygiene strip over the closed lid.
A hygiene strip shows the guest it is 100% clean. And what about the mirror and the sink?
We call that the vanity area. It has the mirror, the basin, the bench, and the cupboards. We scrub the basin and polish the mirror. Then we replenish the stock. We put fresh towels, new soap, and tissues.
What if the guest is staying for another night and their personal items like facial cleanser or personal toothpaste are on the vanity?
Good question. We carefully clean around it. Remember to always place the guest's personal items back exactly where you found them. Don't throw it away, even if it looks like your facial cleanser has run out.
Thank you for the step-by-step guide, Mr. Taylor.
Wow, Mr. Taylor really cares about the details.
Yes, he does, and he loves his gloves. Let's look at the vocabulary. He said room attendants must wear protective gloves. Protective, protective, gloves, gloves.
Protective gloves are rubber covers for your hands. They keep your hands safe from strong cleaning chemicals and dirty bacteria.
Next, he used the word scour, S-C-O-U-R.
To scour means to rub a surface very hard to clean it. You scour the bathtub to remove dirty marks, and you scour the inside of the toilet with a brush.
Finally, he talked about the vanity area, V-A-N-I-T-Y.
The vanity is the area in the bathroom where you wash your face and brush your teeth. It includes the sink, the bench, and the mirror.
That is right. Okay, listeners, it is time for our housekeeping quiz. Let's see if you remember Mr. Taylor's #1 safety rule.
Before a room attendant starts cleaning the bath, the shower, or the toilet, they must put something on their body.
Here is the question. What must you always wear before you start cleaning a bathroom? A. A shower cap. B. Protective gloves. C. A winter coat.
Do you know the answer? Is it A, B, or C? Please write your answer in the comments section below.
We will reply to everyone who gets the correct answer.
Now, let's recap the vocabulary from today's episode. First, protective gloves, rubber covers to keep hands safe and clean.
Scour, to clean something by rubbing it hard.
Vanity, the bathroom area with the sink and mirror.
And hygiene strip, a paper band on the toilet to show it is clean.
That's all for today. Don't forget to polish your taps.
See you next time on Unpacked Hospitality. So long.
So long.